Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Palmer, Ohio. We've got another car getting ready to share with you today. This is a 2016 Ford Fusion SE trim package. It's got a lot of nice options on it, including a sunroof. It has 4-cylinder engine, 2.5 liter, black cloth interior with red stitching in it, beautiful silver on the outside. It does have a backup camera, and you can see the camera is right there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the trunk. Okay, there we go. You can see there's actually quite a bit of space that is back here, and it's very clean. Try to get over here where the sun's not hitting on it, but very clean inside. So we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. You do have heated mirrors and turn signals on your mirrors. So let's take a look inside in the back. So here we go. You can see the black cloth interior with the red stitching. It's actually a very attractive car. There you can see I got the sunroof opened up. You can look through. Black door panels. Let's look up front. Okay, here we go. On the inside, you do have a driver's power seat. Your lighting controls are right here. You do have a shade that will pull shut. Let's hop in. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our tour of our newest edition, 2016 Ford. And if you have any questions about this, just feel free to touch base with us. This is a nice Fusion. Come up for a test drive. We have a lot of financing options available. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.